Hello, dear little children. Welcome back again. I am very sorry I could not make videos for you for a long time. Now I am back again. Let's start with Marigold, Book 3. And we will read the chapter today, Don't Tell, from Unit 9. चलो बच्चों, पढ़ते हैं poem Don't Tell. Are there some things that grown-ups don't let you do? Read about what this child feels. Dear children, this poem is about feelings of a child who thinks that he could do so many things, but he is not allowed to do just because he is a little child. Poet Aaron Yeats writes, the feeling of this little child. There are lots of things they won't let me do. बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो वे मुझे नहीं करने देते. They who parents. I am not big enough yet. They say. वे कहते हैं मैं अभी तक पर्याप्त बड़ा नहीं हुआ. So I patiently wait. इसलिए मैं धैर्य से प्रतीक्षा करता हूँ till I am all grown up. जब तक कि मैं पूरा बड़ा नहीं हो जाता. And I will show them all one day. और एक दिन मैं उन्हें सब दिखाऊंगा. Them कौन? Parents. I could show them now. मैं उन्हें अभी दिखा सकता था. If they gave me the chance. अगर उन्होंने मुझे चांस दिया होता. There are things I could do if I tried. बहुत चीज़ें हैं जो मैं कर सकता था अगर मैं कोशिश करता. But nobody knows. लेकिन कोई नहीं जानता. Nobody knows that I am really a giant inside. कोई नहीं जानता कि मैं अंदर से वास्तव में बहुत बड़ा हूँ. What a poem is this? This is about you children. You think that you can do so many things, but grown-ups do not allow you to do. Dear children, in this poem, they and them are symbols of parents and grown-ups. मतलब बड़े लोग. बड़े लोग कौन? जो आपकी फैमिली में होते हैं और आपको बच्चा समझ के कुछ भी करने के लिए मना करते हैं और कहते हैं कि अभी आप छोटे हैं, बड़े हो जाइए तब ये काम करना. नाउ बच्चों, न्यू वर्ड्स. इनफ पर्याप्त. चांस मौका. जायंट ह्यूज बड़ा बहुत बड़ा. पेशेंट धैर्यवान. इनफ पर्याप्त. सफिशिएंट चांस मौका या अपॉर्चुनिटी. जायंट ह्यूज या विशाल. पेशेंट धैर्यवान अ पर्सन who has patience. Now come to the exercise. Reading is fun. How old is the speaker? And your answer must be, speaker in the poem is a child. Who are they and them in the poem? They are parents or grown-ups, and them is also about grown-ups or parents, because the child wishes to show them to grown-ups that he could do so many things. What is the secret the speaker is hiding? The speaker or the child is hiding that he is really a giant from inside. Now, talk time. Think of 3 things that they won't let you do. What are the things you would like to do when you are grown up that you can't do now? Dear children, there are so many things you wish to do, but you are not allowed to do. You can talk with your friends about these 2 things. Now, word building. Using the letters of the given word, make 3 words. One is done for you. Blackboard. Blackboard से क्या बना है? Black board bag. You can make other words also. Now, I am trying for you. Mother. You can make other. Moth. M-O-T-H, moth. What is moth? Moth is an insect. And third can be more. M-O-R-E, more. You can make other words also, kids. Vegetable. Table, able, and get. 1,000. Sand and ants, ants. Helicopter. You can make cop, pot, and hop. Try making other words also. Look at these words in the poem. Don't, aren't, I'll. Here are their full forms. You have to learn the full forms. Don't, do not. I am, I apostrophe am. That is I am, I'll, I will. Okay. Now write the full forms of the following words. Can't, can, not. It's, it, is. Isn't, is not. What's, what, is. That's, that is. Make sentences using the following. His, he is. She's, she is. Your, you are. We're, we are. Now kids, I am leaving this to you. You can very easily make sentences. If you are not able to do, please tell me in the comment box. I will do it for you. Now write about 2 things you will do when you grow up. You can begin like this. When I grow up, I will. बच्चों, please try to do this also. बच्चों, please try to write these sentences also. You should write at least 3 or 4 sentences. Like, when I will grow up, I will climb the mountain. When I will grow up, I will fly the helicopter. I will be a pilot. Make other sentences also. Now, team time. Do it with your friends. How many new words have you learned? Write down 3 words you have learned so far. Write them down on a chart or blackboard. Tell their meanings to the class. बच्चों, this is a very good exercise. Do it with your friends. Make a chart and paste this chart onto your table or wall where you do your studies. This method will enhance your capacity to learn. Say aloud, giant. jam, Jim, June, goose, grey, gold, gum. Dear kids, why to say aloud? Saying aloud will make you able as to where G sounds G and where G sounds J. Where June starts with J but not with G. So, it will improve your capacity of pronunciation. Now, choose and tick the words with a J sound. January, goose. January is correct. Gem, gem is also correct. Goose is not correct. Jam, correct. Sound J. Jacket, sound J. Giraffe, sound J. Grow, no. July, yes. Giant, yes. Grapes, no. Grey, no. June, yes. Okay kids, I hope now you are able to understand this chapter, and also you will do the exercise portion. If there is any problem, please let me know through your comments. Okay, bye bye, take care, stay safe, stay healthy. I will be coming back with the another chapter. Bye bye.